Hey science superstars, are you looking for one-of-a-kind, fun and explosive science fair projects? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm diving into 10 of the coolest and most unique science fair project ideas all about chemical reactions. These aren't your average volcano experiments, we're talking about stuff that will amaze your teachers and friends. Ready? Let's go. First up, we've got the color-changing cabbage potion. Sounds magical, right? But it's all science. You'll need some red cabbage, water, and different household items like lemon juice, baking soda, and vinegar. Boil the cabbage to get a purple liquid. This is your pH indicator. Now add your household items one by one and watch the colors change like magic. You'll see everything from pinks to greens to blues. This experiment shows how acids and bases react, and it's like being a wizard in a science lab. Next, it's time for a supersized foam explosion. Ever heard of elephant toothpaste? You'll need hydrogen peroxide, dish soap, yeast, and food coloring. Mix them together and boom! A massive foamy eruption shoots out of your bottle. The yeast breaks down the hydrogen peroxide, releasing oxygen gas that gets trapped in the soap, creating a giant mountain of foam. Just make sure to do this one outside. It's messy but so much fun. Ready to be a secret agent? Try the invisible ink mystery. Use lemon juice or baking soda mixed with water to write a secret message on paper. Once it dries, reveal the message by gently heating the paper over a lamp or stove with adult supervision. The heat causes a chemical reaction that makes your message appear like magic. You can even create a mystery game for your science fair display. Who said science isn't sneaky? Ever seen a balloon blow itself up? Try the self-inflating balloon trick. Pour some vinegar into a bottle and fill a balloon with baking soda. Carefully fit the balloon over the bottle's mouth, then lift the balloon, letting the baking soda fall into the vinegar. Watch as the balloon magically inflates. It's all thanks to the chemical reaction between the vinegar, an acid, and baking soda, a base, creating carbon dioxide gas that fills up the balloon. It's like the balloon has a mind of its own. And finally, let's grow some sparkling crystals with the Crystal Garden. All you need is salt, water, food coloring, and sponges or charcoal. Dissolve lots of salt in hot water, add food coloring, and pour the solution over your sponges or charcoal. Over a few days, you'll see beautiful, colorful crystals start to grow. This shows how evaporation and crystallization work, and you'll have an awesome geode display for your science fair. Plus, it looks like you discovered treasure. Next up, let's make a lava lamp in a bottle. Fill a clear bottle with water and vegetable oil, then add a few drops of food coloring. Drop in an Alka-Seltzer tablet and watch the bubbles rise and fall, creating a groovy lava lamp effect. This is all thanks to the reaction between the tablet and water, which releases carbon dioxide gas. It's science that looks like art. Here's a fun one. The dancing raisins experiment. Pour a clear soda like Sprite or 7-Up into a glass and drop in some raisins. Watch as the raisins sink and then float back up like they're dancing. The carbon dioxide bubbles attach to the rough surface of the raisins, lifting them up. When the bubbles pop, the raisins sink again. It's like a party in a glass. Want to make it snow, indoors? Try the instant snowstorm in a jar. Fill a jar with baby oil, add water, and sprinkle in some white paint or glitter. Then drop in an Alka-Seltzer tablet and watch as the snow swirls around like a winter storm. The reaction between the tablet and water releases gas, creating a blizzard effect. It's like having your own snow globe. Ready for a colorful explosion? Try the magic milk experiment. Pour milk into a shallow dish and add drops of different food coloring. Then dip a cotton swab in dish soap and touch it to the milk. The colors will explode and swirl around like magic. This happens because the soap breaks down the fat in the milk, causing the colors to move in all directions. It's mesmerizing and fun. And finally, explore the science of rust with the Rusty Nails experiment. Place steel nails in different liquids like water, vinegar, and salt water. Over a few days, observe which nails rust the fastest. This experiment shows how oxidation works and how certain conditions speed up rusting. It's a simple but fascinating way to learn about chemical reactions and corrosion.